Anyone wants to play dumb charades? Gaurav?
Or enact ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ and the boys have to guess ಏನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಹೆಸರು ಅಂತ. They're not supposed to talk. They're only supposed to enact it. Likewise, boys ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ girls side ಇಂದ ಒಬ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಹೆಸರು ತೆಗೆದು they will enact and the women will have to guess. So boys, men, watch out. Women have won the last 2 rounds of games. Aita, let's see if you can beat them this time. Good luck. TV ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೆಲ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. Okay. Men going first. Who wants to enact? One of you only. One of you. Vinay? Huh? Only one of you has to enact. Dave. Vinay and Nivibru akade iri. Okay, here. Oh, you don't need a mic. Okay, these 3 kids are disqualified. The girls, you better get smart here. Huh? Okay, Mamta will repeat what she just said.
We'll give you a big applause and send you away.
Okay, great job, great job. Claps, guys. Girls, girls. Ready? ಯಾರು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? ಚಂದನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Come on, guess. But don't block the audience view though.
Okay, this stands for Hindi and this stands for English. I just have to make it clear. Illa, because nobody knows the conventions are to mention it initially.
What did you just say?
This stands for Hindi and this stands for English. Chinatown. 36 Chinatown.
Great job. Somebody has to keep score now. ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಅವರೇ, ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಇಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್? ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ? ಕೇಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಪೆನ್ನು. ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇವಾನಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬನ್ರಿ. ಕಮಾನ್ ಬಾ. ನೀ ಎನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೀಗ.
ಚಿರಾಗ್ ಪದ್ಮರಾಜ್
son. Devanand, you were?
Dr. Anand son.
There you go, Chirag. Okay, we really need to move these 2 guys out of here. This handful of them. Girls. Yaro. Come on. Bani.
Ravichandran. Reshma Ravichandran.
Competition Rajesh Kannando.
Now. You. Me. Now. You. Night. Evening. Night. What? Me. You. Okay, next. Next word. Second word. Us. Everyone. World. Earth. Universe. We all. You all. You friends. Classmates. You all. Okay, third word. One. Dead. Kill. Murder. Hit. Last word. Last word is what? 2 letter word. Second word. 2. Off. The you, me, us, all, us, friends. You only live twice.
You live only twice. Now, men, send me a representative. Oh, yeah. यार मकान
Vinay Kulkarni, son of Anil Kumar Kulkarni. I'm Vinay Kulkarni, son of Anil Kumar Kulkarni.
Great job, girls. Tit for tat now. Now's your turn. Yaro. Make money. Sheila. Howdo. Come on.
I'm Sheila, wife of Pratap.
Which language? Which language? Hindi, English. 2 words, 3 words. First word. The and first word 3 letters. Then here.
Dumb and dumber. Okay, Sheila took a big step. Now come on over, guys. Come on, guys. Not the younger crowd. Let's have the classmates. Bandri, Rajneesh, Anil Kulkarni. For half a point, does somebody want to take over? Vijay wants to take over. Great job. Half a point, sir. Half a point for the men. Hera Fairy is the answer. Women? ಯಾರು ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಈಗ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿರೋರು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಬನ್ರಿ. Spouses, one of the spouses, please come. One of the spouses, please come.
I'm Chandana. Nagraj starter. English. First word. And. A. Second word. A boy girl thing. A boy girl thing. No. Okay. Fourth word. Boys, group, friends, class, men. Okay. Dash, men. The second word. Sure. Superb. A good superb man. Third word. Superb. Good. Okay, good. Second word. A few good men.
So parents, this is a sign. You've got to know this. Kids know all the movie names. Parents suck at it. What are you doing? Cinema ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಹೆಂಡತಿನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದರ ಗಂಡಂದ್ರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಮನೇಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ. ಅದು ಸರಿನೇ, ಆ ಮೂವಿ ಹೆಸರೇನು? All right, boys, come on over. This is a tough one. He should have seen the movie. Noridya. Hindi movie. Parents, grown-ups, you will have to guess this movie. The younger generation cannot guess this movie name unless they've seen the movie. Please help them. Please help the boys. Satish Pettegowda, maybe you want to help. Hogi.
Fire.
That's why I said it's difficult for the younger generation to guess this movie. ದೊಡ್ಡೋರು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. But great job. Great job. Yeah. Good job.
Vic, you were trying to get Vic. So we got Vic and said Vicky and all that.
Good one. Well done. Well done. Okay, girls. Girls, quickly. We are even so far. We're absolutely even. No, even alla. Half ilba you're behind half. No. You're behind because somebody needed a help. Who's coming next? Girls, come on.
ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ರೋಡ BM
ನಂಗೇನು ಪಕ್ಕದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಡುಗಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ರೈಟ್ ತಿರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕಮಲಾನಂದ ವಾಟರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್.
Hi, I'm Nikita and I'm Deepak's daughter.
ದೀಪಕ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Deepak K.
8th main ಸರ್ ಅದು 8th main BM ಲೇಔಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಹೌದು ಹೌದು 8th main ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ 8th main ಅಂತಾರೆ
First plate in English you're showing. Okay.
Session 8th main.
बच्चे हम साथ हैं.
ಸರಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
Okay, first plate is sad. Second.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಡಿ ಸೋಮವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನು
Superb, good, good, superb, tasty, delicious. अच्छा.
ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾಸೆಟ್
Extraordinary, tasty, yummy. Satyam Shivam.
That was very smart. Satyam Shivam Sundaram was the name of the movie. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Both of them did well. ಯಾರು your turn now.
My name is Sujay. I'm son of Dr. Divakar.
ಸೋಮವಾರ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ
Got a bee bite. Let's see how it does. I don't know if I'm allergic. I don't know. We'll see. Even girls and boys each had one chance. So we have left with one only. Sir, score ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? You guys should have a half point. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ at 1 point a bunch of whiners, I tell you. I should have brought some cheese for you guys. Okay girls, come on, let's break it. ಅದು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, boys started first, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Come on, one more. Last one. ಬನ್ರಿ ಹುಡುಗಿರ ಬನ್ರಿ. ಮಮತಾ, ಅಂಜನಾ, ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬನ್ರಿ ಯಾರು ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರು, ಬನ್ರಿ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. Come on, come on, come on, one of you. Girls, anybody? Anybody, quickly.
Okay. ಏನಪ್ಪ ನಾವು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. Yes, very good.
We discounted off the last one. We didn't count that. Illale uneven ಆಗಿರೋದು. Boys got 7 chances, women got 6. So we just left out this last one. Unless I can give you a movie name and you want to do it. Do you want to give a movie name? Sure, go on. How far are we from dinner? ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾರ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಕರಿಬೋದಾ? ಒನ್ ಮೂವಿ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಚವಾನ್ ಬಂದ ಕೊಡ್.
English or Hindi?
Food is being served. Children, ladies can proceed for dinner.
Head. In Hindi. Shir. Sir. Second half. Lamba. Sadak. Samram. Old movie. Second half. Walking. Long walk in Hindi. Long walk. Walk in Hindi. Long. Chal. Salong.
No, you think in terms of continuity.
Okay, long.
We all love you, Deepa.
Long.
Continue with sir and then take it further.
Sir,
board it.
Okay. Second half. Pet. Dog. Kutta. Bal. Bal in English. Hair. Fur. Surfarosh.
Just trying to say far, sir and far.
All right, we are all heading out to dinner, but before we head out to dinner, let's do one lucky draw for the kids. We've got 2 more to give away. Let's do one more lucky draw for the kids and go for dinner. Come on, kids. One of you come on. Anaga.
Okay, I'm Anagha and the daughter of Jyoti Shankar.
Yeah, Anaga.
Karan Bette Gowda.
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। अरे ओडले ओडले ओ, 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 ओडले ओडले ओ। बढ़ना है आगे, अरे चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। पीछे रह जाएगा ये ज़माना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। ओडले ओडले ओ, 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 ओडले ओडले ओ। हंसते गाते जहाँ से गुजर, दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर। हंसते गाते जहाँ से गुजर, दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर। मुस्कुराते हुए दिन बिताना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। ओडले ओडले ओ, ओडले ओडले ओ, ओडले ओडले ओ, ओडले ओडले ओ। मौत आनी है आएगी एक दिन, जान जानी है जाएगी एक दिन। अरे मौत आनी है आएगी एक दिन, जान जानी है जाएगी एक दिन। ऐसी बातों से क्या घबराना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना ना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। अरे ओडले ओडले ओ, अरे इडले इडले ओ।
Please. Okay, that's more encouraging. First Barorge, first arrival prize itto. The first person to come was, come on over. Yaar bandit first? Ravi and family. First arrival prize. Come on over, family, please come and receive the award. Banima. Everybody feel, please encourage them, and this should be an encouragement for you also. Next event, please make timing select Bandmidi so that we can carry on the evening's proceedings as planned. Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, family. Thank you.